Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use tags in Monday.com, one of the simplest ways to boost your organization, supercharge team coordination, and make tracking tasks so much easier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add, use, and manage tags and unlock their full potential on your boards. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to add the tags column to your board. Head to the board where you want to start using tags. On the far right side of your existing columns, you'll spot a plus icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This is how you add new columns in Monday.com. Now, in the pop-up that appears, called the Column Center, type in tags in the search bar. Monday.com offers all kinds of columns for tracking different types of data, but in this case, the tags column is what we need. Select it, and just like that, your board now has a brand new column ready for tagging. Once the tags column is in place, it's time to start assigning tags to your items. Click inside any cell in this tags column next to a specific item. Maybe it's a task, a bug, or a campaign. You'll see an empty space where you can type. Here, enter a tag name like high priority if something needs urgent attention, or maybe bug to mark an issue, or even marketing if it's campaign related. As you type, Monday.com will try to auto-suggest tags that you've already used, helping you keep things standardized and avoid accidental duplicates. Once you've typed your tag, just hit enter. It's saved and added. Need more than one tag? No problem. You can assign multiple tags to a single item. For instance, maybe a task is both urgent and belongs to Q2 planning. Just type each one in, pressing enter after each tag. Now, here's where tags really shine. Filtering and organizing your information. Sometimes your board gets busy with dozens of items, and you need to focus on just what's important. At the top of your board, look for the filter icon. It looks like a little funnel. Give it a click, and in the filter menu, scroll down until you spot the tags column. Here's the magic. Select any tag or combination of tags you want, and instantly, your board reshapes itself to show only those relevant items. It's like pulling up just the pages you need from a huge notebook. And if you want to search across multiple boards, use the Search Everything feature. It's the magnifying glass icon up in the top right corner of your workspace. This is especially handy for big teams or complex projects. Type in a tag and Monday.com will show you every item with that tag, even if it's tucked away on a different board. Finally, let's talk about managing your tags. Sometimes you'll realize a tag needs tweaking or you want to clean things up. To edit a tag name, click into a tag cell, then on the tag you want to change, a little pencil icon pops up. Click that, type your new name, and all instances of that tag on the board will be updated. Super efficient. To delete a tag from an item, just click the tag name and hit the X remove icon that appears. If you remove a tag from all items, it won't show up as a suggestion anymore, keeping your board tidy and clutter-free. And there you have it. That's how you add, use, and manage tags in Monday.com. With these steps, you'll find yourself saving time, staying more organized, and making your workflow smoother for everyone involved. If you found this helpful, go ahead and tap that like button. Leave a comment with any questions or tips, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.